Hi everyone, and welcome back to a new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how I made this blanket, the waves blanket, and we're going to go step by step on how to make it from the beginning and how to change color during work. So without further ado, we'll get started. I'm using 7mm crochet hook for this project. It's bigger than the recommended yarn in the yarn label or skin label. I'm gonna use two colors just to demonstrate how I made it. You'll find all the details of the actual pattern in my blog post, or if you like to buy the PDF pattern from Etsy. All the information will be in the description box. So I'm gonna start with the slip knot, and I'll chain 131. 130 plus 1. So here I'm done with a chain of 131. What I'm gonna do next, so on the second chain from the hook, which is this one, I'm gonna make one single crochet, one single crochet in the next chain, one half double crochet in the next chain, one double crochet in the next two chains, one treble in the next two chains, one double crochet in the next two chains, one half double crochet in the next chain, one single crochet in the next two chains. So this is what you're going to do throughout this row. You'll start with two single crochet, which are the end now, one half double crochet, double crochet in the two chains, two trebles, two double crochet, one half double crochet, and two single crochet. So now we're gonna repeat again exactly like in the written pattern. So follow it together with this video to make it easy for you to achieve the pattern. So two single crochet are done. Now I'm following with one half double crochet, then one double crochet in the next two chains, one treble in the next two chains, one double in the next two chains, one half double crochet, one single crochet in the next two chains. And this is all you're gonna do throughout the work. I'll come back to show you the end of the row before we start the next row. So here I'm left with 3 stitches after the treble crochet. I'm gonna make 1 double crochet in the next 2 stitches, and then the last stitch will be half double crochet. So this is the end of the row. Now what I'm gonna do next on the next row, it will be only a single crochet. So I'll chain 1, I'll turn my work, and then single crochet in the first stitch, single crochet in every stitch. Till the end of the row. Just like this. We'll continue the same. So one thing we need to know, after every row of the wave stitch, we need to make a row of single crochet before we go to the next wave stitch row. So I'm introducing a new color. What I'm simply gonna do, I'm gonna pull through the last stitch, and then I'm gonna continue my work. So my first row of wave stitch was a single crochet. This row will be a treble crochet, so I'm gonna chain 3 and I'll turn. I will make a treble crochet in the first stitch and the next stitch. So as we said, I started with a chain 3, 1 treble in the next 2 stitches and 1 double now in the next 2 stitches. The same way as before. 1 half double crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. So basically what you need to remember, whenever you had in the first row 2 single crochet, above will be 2 trebles, and here we had 2 trebles, above is 2 singles. So that's how you know your work is right. And then we follow with the half double crochet, double crochet, another double crochet, and the treble in the next 2 stitches. So we'll continue the same way until we're done with the whole blanket, 60 rows or 54 rows depending on how you want it. Basically after this row, again a row of single crochet with the same color, then you change the color again. I hope the tutorial is quick and clear and you understand how to make it. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to leave it in the comment section. Until next time, take care, bye bye.